Located in the Vaudoise Alps, Leysin is a sunny alpine resort village at the eastern end of Lake Geneva. It was first mentioned around 1231. In the village, or at the top of the Bernays, Leysin offers a multitude of activities, winter or summer, for leisure or business. In Leysin, lovers of mountains enjoy this unique place in French-speaking Switzerland.
Yeah. Even your husband.
Everyone needs beauty as well as bread, place to play in and pray in, where nature may heal and give strength to body and soul alike. A mountain of fun at attractive price. Leysin is known as a paradise for families, fun for children and practical for parents. Even the little one can discover the joy of snow. This is a place to breathe and to be inspired. It's very far easier to feel than to explain. Switzerland's Alps are the best place in Europe, unlike any other. When you have time, come over and fill your lungs with cool alpine air at Leysin, Switzerland. Refresh yourself by the pure water of Geneva Lake.